The summer comes with lots of creatures, but one of them creates a sound that you just can't ignore.
Certainly. Storm Team 10's Joseph Dames is working on another summer science segment. This time it's about a familiar sound that we've all heard in the summer. Here's a preview about those deafening cicadas.
When people think of cicadas, you think of the 17-year cicada that comes out every 17 years. But there are cicadas that come out every year. The female will lay eggs inside of a twig on a tree, and she'll lay maybe a couple of hundred eggs. And when they hatch, they'll drop to the ground, burrow into the ground, and start feeding on the roots of a tree. For most of this cicada's life, it existed as these little crawlers underground. But usually they live up, in the treetops. So to see one alive is kind of rare.
You can catch the full piece tomorrow evening as Joseph and our biology expert explore the life of a cicada.